Hi everybody, this is Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. You can visit us at peachesskincare.com. And as usual, I would be really grateful if you would like and subscribe to these videos. I have been asked to show you what you can do about your back or acne or back rash. And a lot of people are having that because they're indoors and they're just not feeling like they're getting a lot of airflow. People are not sleeping really well at night, so they're having kind of night sweats. And then my medical professionals, with all of the gear they have on, from masks to goggles to the gear they wear over their bodies, are really struggling. I showed you what to do when you're wearing a mask the other day, and I want to remind everyone to try to find something that lets your skin breathe. We do have 100% cotton masks available online. And when I looked to figure out how I was going to do a back facial for all of you, we couldn't make it work here at the house. So once we get into the salons, I'll really show you one on a bed. But I thought what I would do is just use my chest area and show you and tell you the areas to get. What we're going to show you is how to clean the back. I suppose it would be just like when we do a facial, but this is really more about cleaning it and then getting it to heal. So begin like you would with anything else, your flawless exfoliator, and you're going to use this blueberries, coffee, hibiscus, pomegranate to loosen everything. Now, when you're doing the back, you're obviously going all the way down. You want to do the sides of the back, or from the torso back, the side area. A lot of people get rashy there. You might be doing under your arms. I have a feeling that some of the garb that they're wearing at the hospitals is irritating them under here. So anywhere that you feel like you're feeling rashy or irritated. Why exfoliate? Because the elements of flawless exfoliator are very soothing, and we want to exfoliate in away any dead dry skin. We want to soothe the area, and we really want to prevent any bacteria and fungus from growing, because that's truly the main objective here. Rinse it really well. The products are like food, so if you leave a little bit, that's okay. Move on to your classic cleanser or your restore, or you can do both. I think today I'll do restore, thinking that we've got a bit of fungus or bacteria. And I'm actually going to use a natural hairbrush, and I like to put my cleanser right on it. Now, I use one of these in the shower with my body wash as well. But again, we're just pretending that this is my back and we're trying to soothe it from any irritation. You will work it around, and what's nice about natural hair is it's actually very soft. So you're loosening any dead dry skin. Now, someone might say, but what if it's broken? Is this going to irritate it more? Not if you're really gentle, and I like to get stuff really in there. Now, if you're a teenager or an adult with adult acne, you want to be taking care of your back anyway. Again, getting along the torso, getting under the arms if need be. And we'll go ahead and rinse this. If you were doing a facial or a back facial, you could now use baking soda. Really scrub it around if you've got a teenager at home. If you and your loved one want to give each other back facials, I recommend back facials, especially the months before summer. Around springtime, I recommend them to my clients so that you can feel really good about having your shirt off. You can feel really good about having on a beautiful dress or a beautiful top. Having your back look clean and healthy, it just looks healthy and it looks strong, and it also makes you feel better. So if you are doing a facial, you can do some baking soda right now. Some clients have asked if they can do polish. You most certainly can. Again, I'm trying to do more of a soothing facial. So we have exfoliated and we have washed. Now I'm going to take some apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to clean the area. Now, if someone has any broken areas, it's okay. It will sting, but that's what apple cider vinegar does. It kills any bacteria and fungus. So sometimes if someone, in the salons, we do it after extractions, but if someone has a cut or something broken, or what they might think of it is an eczema or a psoriasis, it's going to really heal that area, but it can sting. So wipe that apple cider vinegar all over. You saw me get this a little wet first and then put the apple cider vinegar on. I do like to dilute it. Pretend again, this is my back. We're getting all over the back, all over the sides of the torso. And then take some Monistat 7. This is going to feel very similar to what I've taught you about wearing a facial mask. Take your Monistat 7. Put that Monistat 7 all over the back, all over any irritated areas. And if it did burn when you did the apple cider vinegar, you can kind of, blow on it or use your hands, but let it do its job. Get that Monistat on, get it everywhere, again, along the torso. And then if you're just home for the day and you have really irritated skin, you can put some Vaseline on. Put a nice thick layer of it. I do like to put on moisturizer first. That's up to you. But put a nice layer of Vaseline on it. Pretend that some of the irritated places on your skin are like chapped lips, okay? As I always say, we have natural fungus and bacteria always on our skin. It's when we open it up that we cause the issue. So put some Vaseline on and a nice clean cotton shirt and just relax for the evening. You can also put some milk of magnesia on, let it dry, and relax for the evening. If you are going off to work, however, and you are going to be putting on scrubs or any of the huge amounts of wear that you're having to put on right now at the hospitals, or gosh, if you're working out and you get irritated easily, I recommend this to a lot of my athletes to put under their football uniforms or baseball uniforms, cornstarch. Cornstarch is my personal favorite. You'll see me keep using it. It just works, and it always has. And you'll take that cornstarch and put it on very liberally. So I'm going to show you right in the center here how liberal. Really get it on there. Now, what's nice about cornstarch is once you put it on, it will really adhere to your skin. And then put on your workout outfit. And then put on your sporting outfit. And then put on anything that you need to use for work, like scrubs. During the week, when we're all finally out of being in our homes, you may want to put this under your clothes. It's really going to keep your skin from getting fungal, from getting too much moisture. You might call it heat rash. But all of those things can be prevented by just keeping it clean and dry. Now, some people also may want to take some milk of magnesia, and they may want to put that on certain areas. Say that you've got a blemish or a breakout. Remember, use tissue to clean anything like that out. Okay, clean it with apple cider vinegar or hydrogen peroxide. I do love apple cider vinegar or both. And then take the milk of magnesia and you can, let's say you've got cornstarch in some of it, you can dab that on an acne mark or you can dab it on an area that has had broken skin. So there's some hints to keep your skin healthy underneath your clothes, underneath your scrubs. I hope this helps. I want you to have natural alternatives as opposed to having to take a prescription or put a prescription on. Everyone stay healthy, stay inside for someone you love, and I hope that you'll tune in again next time.